This orange color-changing film for McLaren cars presents a revolutionary approach to automotive customization and protection, engineered specifically for the exquisite curves and contours of McLaren supercars. The product is a large-format, self-adhesive vinyl wrap measuring an impressive 1550 by 15 centimeters, 50.85 by 4.99 feet, providing ample material to fully envelop a vehicle like a 720S, 570S, or Artura with precision. The defining characteristic is its dynamic color-shifting property, where the vibrant orange hue transforms dramatically under different lighting conditions and viewing angles, creating a mesmerizing visual effect that is guaranteed to draw attention. This isn't merely a cosmetic upgrade. It is a high-performance film designed to integrate seamlessly with a vehicle's aerodynamic lines while offering a robust protective layer. The application promises to transform the McLaren's appearance into a truly unique head-turning masterpiece that reflects the owner's bold personality. The core functionality of this protective film extends far beyond its stunning aesthetics, offering a crucial shield for the McLaren's pristine factory paint. Its waterproof nature is fundamental, ensuring that moisture, road grime, and corrosive elements like road salt are permanently barred from contacting the delicate paint surface, thus preventing rust and oxidation. More importantly, the integrated UV-resistant properties are indispensable for preserving the vehicle's value. It acts as a barrier against the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, which are notorious for causing paint fade, discoloration, and clear coat degradation over time. This means the original paint beneath remains in showroom condition, protected from minor abrasions, stone chips, and environmental contaminants. The film essentially sacrifices itself to preserve the integrity and resale value of the supercar, making it a practical investment for any discerning owner. A significant advantage of this orange color-changing film is its user-friendly self-adhesive design, which facilitates a potentially DIY installation for those with patience and skill. The air release technology, commonly found in such high-quality vinyls, helps to prevent trapping bubbles during application, allowing for a smooth and professional-looking finish. The material's flexibility and conformability are engineered to stretch and adhere perfectly to the complex curves, sharp edges, and deep recesses that define a McLaren's bodywork. This ensures a seamless look without unsightly wrinkles or lifted edges. Furthermore, the durability of the film means it is designed to withstand the rigors of high-speed driving and regular washing, maintaining its integrity and spectacular color shift effect for years without yellowing or peeling when properly maintained. Despite its impressive features, this wrap presents notable challenges. The installation process is incredibly demanding and is far from a simple task. Applying such a large, delicate film perfectly onto a high-value supercar with its complex body lines requires a tremendous amount of skill, patience, and a perfectly controlled environment free of dust. Most owners will find it necessary to hire a professional installer, which adds a significant cost to the overall project. Furthermore, while durable, the film is not impervious to damage. It can be punctured or scratched, and repairing a damaged section often necessitates rewrapping an entire panel, which can be costly and difficult to color match. The dramatic color-changing effect, while a major selling point, may also not be to every McLaren purist's taste, potentially impacting the vehicle's appeal to a specific segment of buyers. In conclusion, this orange color-changing film for McLaren cars is an exceptional product that successfully merges radical aesthetic transformation with serious paint protection. Its waterproof and UV-resistant qualities provide peace of mind for preserving the car's exterior, while the breathtaking color shift effect ensures it stands out in any setting. The potential drawbacks primarily revolve around the intricate, professional-grade installation required and the ongoing maintenance to keep it looking its best.